मैं आपके साथ बातचीत में हमेशा करता रहा हूं कि जब मैं स्कूल में पढ़ता था तब भी हमारे स्कूलों में पढ़ाया जाता था कि भारत एक विकासशील देश है। 3 तरह के देश होते हैं, विकसित देश, कम विकसित देश और विकासशील देश। भारत एक विकासशील देश है। जब मैं स्कूल में पढ़ता था हमको तब भी पढ़ाया जाता था। आज जब हमारे बच्चे स्कूलों में पढ़ रहे हैं तब भी हम उनको यही पढ़ा रहे हैं कि 3 तरह के देश होते हैं और भारत अभी भी एक विकासशील देश है। और आज से हम जो शुरुआत करने जा रहे हैं, बिजनेस ब्लास्टर कहिए या कोई और नाम दे दीजिए, लेकिन ये जो काम हम शुरू करने जा रहे हैं, अगर इसको हमने ठीक से लागू नहीं किया तो यकीन मानिए हमारे बच्चों के बच्चे भी अपने बच्चों को यही पढ़ाया करेंगे कि भारत एक विकासशील देश है, अभी भी विकसित नहीं हुआ। लेकिन अगर हमने और आपने मिलकर इस बिजनेस ब्लास्टर प्रोग्राम और पूरे के पूरे एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप माइंडसेट करिकुलम को हमने ठीक से लागू कर दिया तो आज मेरा पूरा भरोसा है कि 15 से 20 साल मैक्सिमम लगेंगे कि हम अपनी टेक्स्ट बुक में बदल देंगे इस इतिहास को कि भारत अब विकासशील देश नहीं, विकसित देश बन चुका है। और ये एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप माइंडसेट करिकुलम और उसमें भी विशेष रूप से ये बिजनेस ब्लास्टर प्रोग्राम इसका बहुत बड़ा आधार बनने।
Since past 1 century, we have been listening that India is a developing nation. To place it among developed nations, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia sir has launched Business Blaster Drive in government schools in Delhi. It is a praiseworthy concept, but the question arises, where are the mentors who can make the dream come true? Through training at School of Business Skills at Durg, Chhattisgarh, we make feeble efforts at our end to inculcate business blaster skills in graduates and produce mentors who can fulfill your dream. If Business Blaster training program for your school teachers is introduced by you at Delhi, then proposed Business Blaster model will be successful. Curriculum followed for graduates training program is as under. Number 1. Digital Land Surveyor to make maps and engineering plans. Number 2. Tutors for school math lab and tinkering lab. Number 3. Geomechanics to assess river water quality. Number 4. Soft apps trainer for mathematical problem solving. Number 5. Assets valuation for sale purchase deeds. Number 6. Business entity performance assessment. Number 7. Stock market management skills. Number 8. Solar clock decision making in important life events. Number 9. Video making skills for products ad. The candidate has option to choose any trading module listed above for 5 days training schedule. Graduates internship training, Stephen terms. Unemployed graduates are recruited for paid internship training in following terms. The candidates are given posts designated as business management trainee. They have to report the head office daily for 1 hour. The management trainee can work from home at his convenient time and produce following output in every month. Motivate at least 5 graduates to join 5 days training program to acquire business skills organized at the head office to set his own enterprise. Motivate at least 20 school students to appear in Sharda Innovation Talent Contest arranged in the head office. Motivate at least 20 school students to appear in the contest. Distribute at least 1 franchise of School of Business Skills anywhere in the country. Internship training Stephen. Rupees 16,000 per month. After successful completion of internship training of 1 year, the candidate is awarded MBA Entrepreneur Diploma of GMAT Foundation Durg. Successful candidate has an option to join GMAT Foundation as training officer on monthly salary, rupees 30,000, or he may set his own enterprise. The mission, Business Blaster, is well received by the public. It is a big challenge because the teachers to educate the students for innovative skills are not easily available. Most of them are robots who deliver the goods only which is given to them. They do not try to extract innovative ideas of entrepreneurship development from math lab and tinkering lab activities already included in the curriculum. they can only suggest to open a tea shop or a roadside hotel, which soon becomes matter of fun among the public. Dear viewers, you have viewed video to acquire self-employment skills. Please subscribe the channel soon so that you will get many videos on innovative job skills. You have listened Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia sir, who stressed his viewpoint at the time of inaugural function of Business Blaster Drive in government schools Delhi. The mentors should be able to make school students intelligent, innovative and inventive. They must be prepared to answer the following question. Why Vikram lander could not make soft touch on moon surface? Why NASA is not repeating its moon landing mission? Why SI unit system is evolved? Explain all scalars are vectors. There is no discrimination between them. How to overcome future global water scarcity problem. Envisaged by engineers and scientists. There are several social engineering projects where answer to above questions is required. The training to the graduates for acquiring business skills is given at the office of Geomat Foundation, Durg. Illustrative tutorial field exercises ebook is also given to mentors. Feel free to make any kind of inquiry about the training program. Thank you.